We are going to go ahead and take a look at the new Windows 10. Here I have it. I'm running it as a virtual machine. For you guys that don't know what a virtual machine is, don't worry about it. Basically, I'm running Windows 10 inside my Windows 7 machine. I haven't really upgraded my real computer to Windows 10 yet. I'm still trying it out. So I'm basically running Windows 10 on Windows 7. That's why you're seeing it a little weird here. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Right off the bat, as we can see, they added the start button because too much people were complaining when Windows 8 came out. Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 were complaining that it had the whole tile version thing. So now, as you could tell, down here, when you press the start button down here, it's a Frankenstein version. I like to call it a Frankenstein version of Windows 7 and Windows 8. Right here on the right hand side we have Windows 8 tiles, but on the left hand side we have what looks kind of like Windows 7. Alright, now here on the left hand side there is an all apps selection here, and here you can go ahead and scroll down, and they put it in alphabetical order, which is pretty cool. They haven't done this before. So here it is in alphabetical order: alarms and clock, calculator, calendar, camera, Cortana, which we will get to here pretty soon. That's pretty cool. Cortana is a really cool program that helps a lot when you're trying to research stuff on Google or something. Cortana is what you got to use. What's really cool about Windows 10 is one of the videos that I made on my channel was about restoring the Solitaire game, because Windows 8 didn't come with a Solitaire game. So there was a lot of outcry for that. So it looks like, check it out, now they have the Microsoft Solitaire Collection. And check it out, guys, when you open up an app, it doesn't take up the whole screen anymore. It actually opens it up as a window that you can minimize, you can maximize, and you can also close. So they fixed that too. There was a big outcry because you remember how it used to take up the whole screen in Windows 8? It was just horrible, guys, horrible. Alright, so here we have a Solitaire Collection. It's going to start up here in just a bit. Signing in, and this might take a while. While that goes on, let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the features here. I'm going to click on the start button again. I'm going to go to all apps. Let's keep looking at all the apps here. Come on. It's a little slow because we're trying to open up Solitaire. Now, just like Windows 8, the gaming section of Windows now is called Xbox. Trying to click on all apps, but it looks like the Solitaire game here is taking up all the space. Alright, so here we have the all apps menu open again. Wow, that is just slowing it down. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. It's slowing down like crazy trying to open up Solitaire. Solitaire used to be a program that didn't take much freaking CPU power before, but now it's just taking up everything. We'll go back to Solitaire here in a bit. We want to take a look at the whole menu. So there, it comes with Skype preloaded, which is a different Skype program. As I remember, Windows 8 it looked different, so I'm pretty sure it's the same one. So we have a lot of apps here. They're not called programs anymore, they're called apps, right? When you go all the way down here to the W, you can actually click on this downward arrow to expand. We have more selections here. Windows accessories, for example. We have Notepad, Paint, all the programs we're used to having at Windows 7 and Windows 8, right? Windows Media Player, WordPad. If you don't have Office yet, that's what you use as WordPad. Administrative, we have component services, computer management, and all this. So it puts it all in one folder. I like that. You don't have to right-click My Computer again to get there. Ease of access. They got the magnifier still, narrator. They got all that. And of course they got the Xbox down here. Now if we go back, here we have a file explorer. When you click on it, it'll open up the traditional file explorer that we see on Windows 7 and Windows 8. Alright. Also, when you click the start button, we have settings. You have a settings selection here. Now the settings look a little bit different on Windows 10. If you notice here, we have system, devices, network and internet, personalization, privacy, ease of access, time and language, accounts, update, and security. This looks a lot different, guys, but don't let it intimidate you. The control panel still exists. We're just going to go ahead and ask Cortana for control panel. And here it is, control panel. So we still have the control panel, guys, and it looks just like it did on Windows 7 and Windows 8. Here we have it. Perfect. You see that, guys? Awesome, right? Here's system and security. You can change the power options from here. You can still do everything you can do before, but there, oh my God, this right here is just, it makes me nervous, right? I work in IT and I'm used to knowing where everything's at, but now that it's going to look different like this, oh my God. I hope they keep the control panel as long forever, because that's what we're used to, right? But if you take a look at, they have it. I mean, I can get used to it after a while. You know, they have notifications and actions, apps and features, multitasking, tablet mode. If you have a tablet, you can turn it to tablet mode, and it'll go to what Windows 8 used to look like. All the tabs and there, you know, all the desktop tiles and all that on the start screen, you know. But right now we have it on desktop mode. You can also look at your accounts here. Right now my account is right here. Sign in options, work access, all that stuff. Now, if you wanted to change your background, you just right click the screen just like we did on Windows 7 and Windows 8. We click on personalize. Alright guys, and here we have it. We can go ahead and choose preloaded background, which Windows 10 didn't come with many. I don't know why. We could change the lock screen. You could change the colors, the themes. We can change the sound settings, icon settings, which I've been trying to get to icon settings forever. Here they are, okay. And if you notice, I only have the recycle bin on the desktop, so now I'm just going to go ahead and click all these guys, right? And this is under desktop icon settings, apply. And if you notice now here on the left hand side, I have all these icons now, which is what I wanted. Alright, let's go ahead and look at Cortana. Cortana is actually this computerized voice that's smart, can learn from what you do. Every time you search on Google, it'll be watching you and stuff like that. That way it can get to know you in a way, which is kind of weird. But Cortana, they got that from Halo, from Xbox. You know, the Xbox game Halo. The girl Cortana, you know, that robot chick that talks to you. That's where they actually got that from, which is pretty cool. We're going to open up Cortana, and we're going to ask her through the microphone. We click here on the microphone, we can actually talk to her, and we're going to ask Cortana, how many kilometers in a mile?
1 mile is approximately 1.61 kilometers.
Cool. And she has a lot of features. Let's see what else we have here. We have notebook, Cortana tips if you want to learn how to really use her. And what's really cool is we have reminders too. If you want to have Cortana remind you of things, you could do that too, which is really cool. You can actually, let's see if we can, let's do it through the microphone. Let's see if we can do it through a microphone. Cortana, remind me that I have a meeting Friday night at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you the meeting up at 6 p.m. Friday.
That is correct, Cortana. Yes.
Great, I'll remind you. You can also see it in your reminders list anytime.
That's really cool, guys. That is really, really cool. Let's see what else is new here that I gotta show you guys. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, pinning stuff. If we go to the start button here, you can actually right click these tiles here and you can resize them, right? They have small, medium, wide, and large. Let's go ahead and make this large just for the heck of it. See, you can actually resize these, which is pretty cool. Also, you can turn the live tile. Let's say it's a news tile and you want to turn off the news feed on it. You could just click here on turn live tile off. You can unpin it from the start the start menu here, you could do all that stuff, which is pretty cool. You can actually choose an app from here. Let's say the contact support app. Right click it. You can either pin it to the start. Now it's pinned down here, or you can actually pin it to the taskbar. So now it's down here in the taskbar. So that's pretty cool. And there's a lot more on this, guys. So I'll probably make a part 2 video of this. But just wanted to show you guys real quick how Windows 10 looks like, what you guys can expect from it. And Cortana is really cool. It's gonna save us a lot of time. You know, you just say Cortana, search for whatever on Google, you know, and it'll do it for you. I like that. You know, I'm gonna install Windows 10 on my computer here soon. I'm just waiting. I recommend you guys wait until they fix all the kinks and everything on Windows 10, which I think they already did. And pretty soon Windows 10 is gonna be widely used here soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be updating these videos a lot, so stay on the lookout, and I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.